In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom forms in Wix Studio. Let's dive right in. First up, open up your web browser and head over to the Wix Studio website. Wix Studio is a powerful web platform that's particularly well suited for agencies and enterprises. It's loaded with tools that are both intuitive and effective for creating dynamic web content. Once you arrive at the homepage, you'll notice it's designed to welcome users with examples of what you can create and manage through the platform. Now you'll want to locate the login button. It's typically found at the top right corner of the main page. Click on it to bring up the login options. If you've already got a Wix account, you're a step ahead. If not, you'll have to create one, but for those of you who are already registered, click on Continue with Google. This option is convenient because it allows you to link directly to your Google account for seamless access. After logging in, you'll be redirected to the Wix editor. Here, within the editor, your journey to creating a custom form truly begins. Look for a plus icon in the editor interface. Clicking this brings up a menu of elements you can incorporate into your website design. Scroll through and you'll discover a host of options, from text to media, everything meant to enhance and personalize your site. From the list, select Contact and Forms. This category is where you'll find the beginnings of your form creation process. You'll see various pre-configured forms for quick use, but what you want to do here is hit Create New Form. This opens up a blank form template and gives you the blank canvas to design a custom form that fits your exact needs. As you start customizing, begin by clicking to add fields like first name. Each field you add can be configured individually, tailored to collect precisely the kind of information you need from your audience. Once you've added the first name, you might want to follow up by clicking and adding last name next. Together, these fields ensure you can gather basic but essential information in a structured way. Next, click to add an email field. It's crucial for communication purposes and is often a centerpiece of digital forms, as it allows for follow-up and further engagement with your website visitors. Finally, after you've curated your form to include all the necessary fields and made it visually aligned with your site's theme, it's important to save your work. Look for the Save button, typically visible in the editor's menu bar. Click on it to ensure all your progress is securely stored. Here at Wix Studio, saving your work frequently is a good habit to form, as it keeps your projects safe and accessible at all times. And there you have it, you've just created a custom form using Wix Studio. Whether you're seeking contact information, feedback or registrations, you've taken a significant step in better connecting with your audience through your website. Give yourself a pat on the back and feel proud of the new skills you've gained today.